Thrive Themes install theme. In this video, we're going to talk about how to install a Thrive Themes theme. Now, if you've purchased the whole thing, you should have options where you get multiple choices with regards to themes, and we're going to dive right in and just get one of those installed. So from inside your WordPress account, from the dashboard, you want to go down to Appearance. You're going to want to go to Themes, and then there's a number of different themes that you can choose from. I've got the default theme, so right now there's nothing fancy about this site. All it does is have, I think, the regular 2017 or whatever theme it is. But I want to go and choose a Thrive Themes theme. And part of the reason I want to do that is because they look good, but also I can connect them to my other services and it works very well together. So let's just choose, for instance, the Rise theme. Just click on Activate. And if I go back to my site and refresh the screen, it's installed. Now at this point, I'm definitely going to want to do some customization. So for instance, I'm probably going to want to replace this. I might change the color. I definitely want to put a primary menu up here, a whole bunch of things. But probably the first thing I think would recommend do is put in the analytics, your Google Analytics. Now, Google Analytics, when you install it in the general or the analytics and scripts, only works on the landing pages. But now that we have a Thrive Themes theme installed, we can go ahead and install the analytics on all pages going forward. So from here, I want to scroll down and I want to go to the exact theme that I've installed, which happens to be the Rise theme. Click on Theme Options. Now, we have a lot of things we can configure here. It's giving me the defaults. I can upload a new image for the logo. I can change the background color, the position of the logo. Is there a phone number on there or not? And footer copyright information. I would suggest getting rid of the date unless it automatically updates. Style and layout settings, blog settings. We're going to get back to analytics and scripts in a moment. Performance, do you want to do image optimization or not? Do you want to allow comments or not? Social media, if you want to connect it up your Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, all that kind of information can be included here. What is your 404 page going to be or say on it? And anything related to related post. Now, analytics and scripts, I think, is kind of one of the more important ones because if you're going to grow your audience, you want to know what's going on. So very much like the analytics and scripts, you've got a choice on where you can put it. So I'm going to go into my Google Analytics account and get the code that I need. So I create this property. I've got the tracking code. Here it is right here. I'm going to copy it. And make note, it says copy and paste this code as the first item into the head of every web page you want to track. Now, Thrive Themes will put it in the head section, but it won't be the absolute first. That is not important. As long as it's in the head, it will work properly. So back into here, I want to use the header script option and go ahead and simply paste in that code and then go ahead and save changes. So now, any of my pages, my blog pages that show up using the Rise theme will have Google Analytics tracking. That's how you install a theme from Thrive Themes.